Well, today I'm going to be working on making a small shelf for my mudroom where I've got all my charging stuff, solar charging stuff. I've made a few things out of pallets. The horse's manger. I made a shelf for the bedroom that's now in the garage. An entertainment center, stand for the TV. What else? Oh, a table or two for the goats. I'm going to be making a fort for the goats. That's going to be a big project. So these are going to be the shelves, and it's 9 inches that way and just the 4 feet long. So I don't have to cut anything too much, or I don't have to cut too much. The ends are just going to be 2 feet high, and I'll spin them around and slap them together. I didn't like that other piece of wood. This one's nice. I'll try and make sure I don't get any of these nails in the grass. That would be bad. You probably can't see my bucket of nails, but here's my bucket of nails. There's the after shot. Way better.